Give me 60 seconds and I'll teach you everything you need to know about SN1 and SN2 reactions. So the first thing that you need to know is if you're dealing with a primary, secondary, or tertiary reactant. So what does that even mean? This just means how many carbons is the carbon with the leaving group bonded to. So this first reactant here has a carbon bonded to a chlorine. This carbon in red is bonded to another carbon in blue. There's only one, so it's primary. In the second molecule, this same carbon in red is bonded to two other carbons, so therefore it's secondary. And in the third molecule, this same carbon in red is bonded to three other carbons in blue, so therefore it's tertiary. So at this point, you're basically 99% done. If it's a primary reactant, it will almost always be an SN2 reaction. If it's a tertiary reactant, it will almost always be an SN1 reaction. But what about if it's a secondary reactant? Don't worry, I got you covered. If it's secondary, you need to look at if you're dealing with a strong or a weak nucleophile, which is the molecule above the arrow. Strong nucleophiles are any molecules with a sulfur or with an oxygen that has a negative charge, and these are going to favor SN2. Nucleophiles are any molecules with an oxygen that is neutral, so like a water or an alcohol molecule. This will favor SN1. So if it's a secondary reactant with a strong nucleophile, it's going to go SN2. If it's a weak nucleophile, it's going to go SN1. Try this practice problem for yourself and comment below if you think it will be SN1 or SN2.